What's up, Wallet Monkeys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the X1 card and some recent approvals. So I actually don't think we've fully done a deep dive on the X1 card. Let's dive into it. All right, so first off, the X1 card is it used to be a ghost card. So they used to not report to all three bureaus, and I know that changed, I think around October of 2022. Don't quote me on that. But it's no longer a ghost card. They report to the bureaus now. It is one of those fintechs that's like completely off the grid. Like you can't call and talk to somebody. It's email support only. And for a lot of people, they don't like this, okay? Also too, it's a fintech, which means that, you know, with what we've seen in the market and what might be coming this year, you know, this is a card that's highly questionable. Any fintech, I would say, is highly questionable in its first 3 to 5 years. After that, they all kind of get their pivots under control and they all figure out who they want to be, what they want to do, and you know, they're pretty well settled in. So just keep that in mind, right? What's up, Wallet Monkeys? I hope you're enjoying that content. I wanted to take a quick minute and just explain a couple ways that you could get more access to us. So first things first is if you've been watching us for a while and you've been getting value from the content, just take a second, like and subscribe, maybe comment below. Algorithmically, this stuff helps a lot, so thank you for that. And if you want access to exclusive members only content, meaning videos and posts, then you're gonna click that little join button underneath, and I think it's $5 a month, and that'll give you access to that. If you want beyond that and to join our private community, we have a private Discord community, and you can get the link underneath this video in the description. You'll get access to dozens of channels talking about personal credit, business credit, entrepreneurialism, side hustles, real estate, and everything in between, as well as get access to, I think, 4 different training courses. So that's it. Thank you so much for your support. And now back to the video. So to apply, it's actually a soft pull. So they offer a pre-qualification process and they soft pull Experian. Now you can also lock down your Experian and just to make sure, but it is a soft pull 100%. It is weird with how they approve. I have no clue what the basis is. They used to be giving out high limits like candy. And now it seems like the highest you're going to get is like 7,500, maybe 10,000. Whereas it used to be like 20,000 plus that people were getting before it got really, really popular. So a couple of things I wanted to show you on this. First off, for a no annual fee card, it is pretty insane. All right, let's just take a quick look here. 2x points on every purchase regardless of category, 3x points every time you spend $1,000 in a month, 4, 5, and even 10x points if you're invited by a friend, which speaking of friends, I've got Q's link in the description below. He's somebody that constantly is donating time, energy, effort to the channel. So if you want to support him in some sort of way, that'd be an easy way to do it, is just use his link. And I believe it like extends the window of everyone getting bonus and rewards. So I think it's a good thing for everybody. I'm pretty sure that everyone wins on the invite link. So that'll be in the description below if you want to support him. And let's scroll down to the bottom now. Let me show you this. So again, I was just mentioning that it's pretty insane for a 0 annual fee card. It actually is. Look at this. Look at the benefits. We get cell phone protection, trip interruption reimbursement, purchase security, auto rental collision damage waiver. I don't even know what that is. Extended warranty protection, return protection, 0 liability protection, Visa signature concierge services because it is a Visa card. What else do we got? We got travel and emergency assistance and roadside dispatch. So there's a ton of benefits and perks here to this card. That's usually reserved for better cards that do have an annual fee. So it's worth pointing out that it's pretty crazy that you get all of this with it, right? So let's look at some data points and some approvals. Okay, so here's a quick look at Q's approval. You see he got a $7,500 limit, which again, I think that's kind of like switched Wednesday, March 22nd. So you see that this is completely new and relevant. And again, like somebody right after him jumped in as well and got a $3,000 approval. So we've got 10,500 being approved from the community in less than the last 24 hours, I believe. Unless there's been more that haven't told me. The other thing that's worth looking at is, again, just the weird mismatch and flip-flop that they have with who they approve, who they don't, and so on and so forth. They do use Plaid, P-L-A-I-D, which had a data breach, which also too at some point I think is gonna probably be sharing data, if not already, with all the big banks. So you just wanna be mindful of this. And that's how you have to like give access to your bank account for them to essentially approve you. So that's how they're doing it, is they're just using a different process versus your FICOs. So anyways, that doesn't always work. And a lot of times people are getting stuck in loops. It's not activating or syncing up, or something is not happening properly and is denying them, which that was the reason why I got denied in the beginning. I actually just recently got a approval again. I don't know if I'll actually get the card, but I just got invited to come back again. You will get invited back via email after, I don't know, a certain amount of time has gone by, but I'll tell you what, like I tried to get in with them over a year ago So it took them over a year to like re-invite me back. That's kind of crazy, but it was because it wasn't even like something on me. It was something with the integration with trying to get my bank account to get picked up and read. So here's just some feedback on that. Epic fail, complete waste of your time. I have an 800 credit score and I connect my bank account. The entire process fails every time. Sound familiar? Yeah, we're gonna avoid that. Application process doesn't even work. Great job, guys. Okay. And in another one, I was denied. I have excellent credit and make very good money. So yeah, I've heard of this too though. I've heard of people with 800 credit scores getting denied. So I have no clue what the approval type process is. Yeah, if you've got additional data points, I'd love to hear what you think about the X1 card in the comments below. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.
Hey, you should subscribe. 60% of you are not subscribed yet. Right there. Okay, bye.